Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to track emails, gain insights into recipient engagement, and improve your outreach strategy, Yesware is a powerful tool to get the job done. Today, we'll cover how to implement email tracking with Yesware to enhance your productivity and communication. Let's dive in. Setting up Yesware. To get started, install the Yesware extension for Gmail or Outlook. Once integrated, you'll have access to real-time tracking and analytics right from your inbox. Tracking email opens and engagement. Yesware provides real-time notifications when someone opens your email or clicks a link. This helps you identify which prospects are interested so you can follow up at the right time. Using email templates and automation. Speed up your workflow with customizable email templates and automation features. Save commonly used emails, personalize them, and send them with a single click to improve efficiency. Scheduling and follow-ups. With email scheduling, you can send messages at the best times for engagement. Set up automated follow-ups to stay in touch with leads and never miss an opportunity. Generating reports and insights. Yesware's dashboard gives you detailed analytics on email performance. Monitor open rates, click rates, and response trends to fine-tune your outreach strategy. By leveraging Yesware's email tracking, you can improve communication, close more deals, and optimize your email campaigns. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business productivity tips. See you in the next one.